Hello everyone, I'm calling the number was in the story. We shall continue from where we ended in our last tutorial. We shall continue with data types, and in this case we shall majorly focus on lists and many more data types. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. We declare the variable. I declare the variable which we named list1 and storing multiple items. As we see, that's what I mean when I say lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A list is a built-in data type in Python used to store a collection of data. We have other three main data types that can store collections of data, which include tuple, set, and dictionary. All these data types have different qualities and usage. This is how we create a list. List1 is equal to that. These are the items. List items are ordered, they are changeable, and they can allow duplicate values. The list items are indexed. What do I mean when I say they're indexed? The first item has an index of 0, the second item has an index of 1, the third an index of 2, like that, the fourth an index of 3, the fifth an index of 4. They are ordered. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and the order will not be changed. These items in the list, they have a defined order. The fruit will take an index of 0 to take the first place, colonies, then they will continue. If we are to add another value, we can append it to the last item in our list. The list is changeable. This list is changeable, meaning that we can change and we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. I can say like list1 dot append. I can use a string, and in this case we shall append like an apple. If I print list1, you see an apple has been appended at the last position. We can remove, can say print, can say list1 dot remove. In this case, let me remove one fruit. If I print, you see colonies, that, and fruit. We have only one fruit. In this case, it has removed the fruit which is at index 0, meaning colonies now is at index 0, 1 at index 1, at index 2. We can get a length of a list to determine how many items a list has. So, if you want to get the length of a list, let me first comment out this thing of appending. I'll just shift then press 3. So if I want to get its length, I will just use len, open parentheses, and I'll add this one to close the other one. In our list we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can select print. I will concatenate and say you have the number of these items. Let me just Control exit, Control V, in how you have in our list 1. So as you see, there is an error. We forgot to close our string, so then now it should be able to work out. This is a syntax error. Yes, you have 5 in our list 1, so I can say you have 5 items to add more meaning. You have 5 items in our list 1, as it has been printed there. So that's how we can get the length of our list. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. That's why I'm saying we have 5 items in your list 1. So even a list can store values of any data type, as you see, like in this case, I am having a string and an int, even a float, meaning it is storing values of any data type. So I can even add, like, can declare, let me first comment out this, can say list2 is equal to a string of float, comma, can put a true, which is a boolean, a false, which is also a boolean, can put an integer of 1, can put a float of 1.2, and many more. So can print list 2. As you see, it's printing float, true, false, and that, meaning a list can store values of any data type. If you want to get the type of this list, you can just say, if you want to get the data type, we shall just print its type and say print type. You open the brackets and say list2, meaning our type is, I run my program, class list, meaning our data type is the list, as we were saying. There is also what we call a list constructor. To use a list constructor, we shall use a keyword list. Let me first comment out this one, which will be list 3 is equal to, in this case I want to use a keyword list, say list, then open brackets, then I can put my values. Let me copy these some values, Control C, then I Control V. I have to use double brackets. Then if you print list 3, it should be printing out a list, as what you have been seeing in the first tutorial. What you should note here, you should note the double round brackets. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We shall meet in the next tutorial about tuples. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. May God bless you.